through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Taruneet Kaur. I hope you're all doing well. So if you're new to my channel or you're watching my videos for the first time, please hit the subscribe button, that red color button which is at the right side. Hit that subscribe button, and next to that there's a bell icon as well. Hit that bell icon so that whenever I posted a new video, you will get notified and you can watch my videos on the same time. So let's just talk about today's video now. So today's video is in a collaboration with Beauty Updates. I'm gonna leave the link for her channel and for her video in the bottom bar. Make sure you check that on, guys. You have to check that because that girl creates beautiful look, guys. Believe me, she creates beautiful looks and you cannot get off your eyes from her video. Yes, so do check her videos. So today we have created a glam look. As you can see, this is the look. So if you want to know how I created this look, so please keep on watching. So starting with the moisturizer, I'm taking the Cetaphil lotion because this suits me so better on the skin. So always go with the moisturizer that suits your skin and your skin type. So we have to wait for like 10 to 20 seconds before the application of the next product. So in the meantime, I'm just going to run the spoolie on my eyebrows so that I can see where I have to give the shape and where I have to fill in the eyebrows. So next I'm gonna go in with the primer. This is Wellllll Poreless Face Primer, and warming it up a little bit on between my fingers, and then going in a dabbing motion, concentrating on the pore areas so that I can have a smooth canvas for my foundation. So we have to wait for like 30 seconds after the application of the primer. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna go and fill in my eyebrows. So initially I'm starting it from the mid, giving a little bit of the shape, and then coming to the back part and coming back to the front part, because the front part needs to be a bit lighter than the mid and the back part. So in this way you can have a natural look, and I always prefer to go with the powder application because this way I think you can have the filler eyebrows. Now I'm setting it up, and now you can see the difference between the filler eyebrows and when your eyebrows are not filled. So do fill that. Next I'm going with the color correcting my face. My face needs it badly. So firstly I'm going in with the orange color corrector, as orange going to cancel out the darkness. So I have to apply it on my dark circles, little bit pigmentation on my cheeks, and also on the corner of my mouth. There I have darkness going on these days, and also a little bit on my chin. So I'm applying it with a concealer brush, and this concealer brush is from MAC Flawless application. So next I'm just going to go in with the green color corrector. Green color corrector cancels out the redness, so I'm just gonna go and apply it on the acnes that are popping out so red. So I'm just gonna go in with that, and here we are done. So now I'm just gonna jump in with the foundation. So initially I'm taking 2 pumps. This is a pack foundation, and now I'm just gonna warm up the foundation a little bit, and then making a random dots and applying it randomly all over my face. And this foundation is a buildable foundation. This is not a full coverage foundation, so I can build up the foundation with a second layer as well, and by applying the second layer it will not gonna look cakey for sure. And I'm going to blend it out, blend. So I'm just gonna blend out the foundation so well by taking my much time. I'm just gonna take time while blending. Always take time while blending to have a blendable and a smooth look on the face. So now I need one more pump of the foundation, as I need to cover more areas around my eyes and also on my neck. So I'm just doing the same application, applying it on my eyes and to the neck, and then I'm gonna blend that out all over. On the face I prefer to apply it with the beauty blender this way, but on the neck I don't feel to apply it like with the beauty blender. This doesn't work for me, so I always go with the application with the on the neck with the foundation brush, and I'm gonna use the foundation brush which is from pack. It's pack 005, so this way it give me a good coverage on my neck. And also whatever is left on the brush, I'm gonna go in with the on my ears. So I'm just gonna go in with the highlighting on my face. So we have to use a lighter color concealer for the application if we want to highlight the highlighted areas. So I'm just gonna going with that. This concealer is from Makeup Revolution. Yes, it's in the shade light. Yes, no, I think Ferris 01, I don't know. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend it well wherever I have applied this highlighting concealer, and always apply the concealer which is a little bit not a little bit, like a one shade lighter than your skin tone. You can apply if you want to highlight the areas. Blend, blend, blend. So next I'm gonna set my base with a setting spray. This setting spray is from Base Cosmetics, and I'm just gonna set that up with a beauty blender again. Done. So next I'm just going to contour my face, and for contouring your face you have to go in with a 2 shade darker than your skin tone, 2 or more 3 shades darker. Don't go with too much dark, otherwise it's gonna look so bad. So I'm just going to apply it as you can see in the video, and also I'm squeezing up the brush and applying it on the nose, and then on to the jawline, and then to the forehead. Yeah, we have to do. So I'm just gonna blend it well with the same beauty blender. And yes, this beauty blender is from Morphe, if I didn't tell you, and if you're wondering. So always blend, blend, blend to get a flawless look and a blendable look as well. So next I am just going to bronze up my face wherever I have applied the contouring brush. And now for the nose, if you're applying this on the cheeks, then you have to apply this shade on your nose. Don't go with the same shade whatever you have applied it on the cheeks. This way your nose will look like a chocolate. Now I'm just gonna set my face with the translucent powder, and this translucent powder is from the one Oriflame. So I'm just gonna set my under eye area first, because this tends to crease like quick, so quick. Okay, it's done now. So now I'm just going with the eye makeup. So first I'm gonna apply the eye primer, and this eye primer is from Makeup Revolution, and I'm gonna blend it with the help of my ring finger. So for my eye makeup, I'm not gonna use any eye shade palette. I'm just gonna use a blusher and a bronzer for my eyes. So firstly I'm gonna go in with the blusher on my crease. I'm just gonna blend, 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 like back and forth, tapping the excess and just going with the back and forth motion. So firstly I have applied the bronzer, and now I'm applying the firstly I have applied the blusher, and now I'm applying the bronzer on the top of that pink shade, whichever I have applied it on the crease. So I'm just going with the same motion, back and forth to get a good crease color. Okay, now I'm just gonna go in with the highlighter. I'm wetting up the shader brush a little, and then I'm just going to apply the highlighter on the lids, as you can see now. Take time while applying. So now I'm just gonna go in with the brown color again to just cancel out the harsh edges, and also now I'm just gonna apply it on my brow bone to just enhance the look. That's it. And now to the inner corners. This way your eyes will look like more enhanced. So now I'm taking a tapered brush and I'm taking that bronzer again and I'm applying it on the lower lid to get a look. And now I'm applying a white kajal, like a white eye pencil, on my lower waterline, on my waterline. And now I'm applying the eyeliner by making a wing that is needed. So this sketch eyeliner is from NYX, and I'm just gonna apply the kajal on my tight line to get the full look for my eyeliner. So now I'm just gonna apply the first coat of mascara. The first coat of mascara is from Sugar, like this mascara is from Sugar. I'm gonna apply the first coat with this, and also I'm gonna go in with the second layer of the mascara, because I don't want to apply any false eyelashes with this look. So I'm just gonna go in with the other coat of mascara, and this mascara is from L'Oreal. I think it's Big Lash. Yes, it's Big Lash, I think. Yes. And I'll show you the difference why I applied the second coat of mascara and it doesn't look cakey. You will see now. You can see the difference as well. It's not looking cakey, and there's a big difference once you apply the second coat of mascara. Now I'm just gonna use this on my cheekbone. This is from NYX. Yes, I'm just gonna blend it with the help of my ring finger, and now I'm applying it on the top of this. This highlighter is from Makeup Revolution. Oh, for what? For my lips now. Firstly, I'm just gonna apply some compact powder on my lips, and then I'm just gonna apply a lip eyeliner, and this lip liner is from Me Now. Now I'm taking this lipstick from Matte Look. Okay, so this is the shade. I want a shade that comes in a kind of a maroony, like deep berry color, but I didn't find it in my collection, I think. Yeah, I didn't find it, but still I'm applying it, this one, and I'm not happy. So I'm just gonna go on the top of this with the Sugar lip crayon, and this shade is, I will leave all the details in the bottom bar. Please do check out if you want to know the product. Oh, I forgot to apply the blusher, so that's what I'm gonna apply now. So this is the final color. That's what I need. I love it. This is the color. So I'm just gonna set my whole face with the BH Cosmetic setting spray, a quick little shower. So now I'm just gonna set that up with the beauty blender. Oh, here is the final look. As you can see, this is how the look turns out, and this is the glam look that I've created. Done with the look, guys. As you can see, this is how the look turns out, and I hope you will like this look. This is the glam look that you can create yourself as well. So as you can see, I didn't use any eyeshadow palette in the video onto my eyes, so I just used the blusher, highlighter and the bronzer, the blusher and the bronzer onto the crease and the highlighter onto my lids. And if you're confused for your eyes at which color you should go for, just create a glam look and you're good to go with every color and every look. If you're going for an Indian outfit, or if you're going for a casual anything, if you want to do an eye makeup, you can just go simply with the glam look, and you don't need any eyeshadow palette for that. So you can go with the bronzer, highlighter and the blusher as well. So I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It's free, guys, and also it will not gonna charge you anything, but it gonna means a lot to me. So do subscribe to my channel, and also there is a giveaway coming on to my channel. So I think I'm gonna announce the giveaway gifts in my next video, so stay tuned for that. So I'm gonna take a leave now. Stay happy, take care, bye bye.